I am a financial success story in the making. I am creating wealth and prosperity with every action I take. I am financially independent and secure. I am making wise financial decisions that lead to abundance. My income is steadily increasing. I am investing my money wisely and strategically. I am building a solid financial foundation for my future. I am financially responsible and disciplined. I am creating multiple streams of income. I am living a life of financial freedom and security. I am attracting lucrative opportunities into my life. I am financially empowered and confident. I am a master of my finances. I am achieving my financial goals with ease and grace. I am experiencing financial abundance beyond my wildest dreams. I am grateful for the financial success I am experiencing. I am a magnet for financial opportunities. I am constantly learning and growing in my financial knowledge. I am a successful entrepreneur, investor, or business owner. I am a financial genius, making wise and profitable decisions.